Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you 31 fruits that you can provide to your budgies, cockatiels and any other parrots. In the end, I am going to share some facts about serving fruits to your birds, so watch the video till the very end. And if you are a budgie and a cockatiel lover, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Lemon, pear, apple, lychee, Malta, Asian pear, orange, green mango, dragon fruit, guava, pomegranate, grape, raspberry, papaya, watermelon, pineapple, muskmelon, mango, banana, carambola, lime, strawberry, hog, kiwi, blackberry, gooseberry, peach, coconut, jujube, cherry, rose apple. Before serving fruits to your birds, try to remove all the seeds and stones from the fruits. Always try to provide fresh fruits and provide them as you eat the fruits. And never give avocado or dates to your budgies and any other parrots. Viewers, give a thumbs up to this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get more videos on birds. Thank you very much.